Hello, this is an update to my video of the 14th of February 2024, in which I was highlighting the problems with the continuous flooding that has been happening on the aqueduct roundabout in the centre of Accrington, and the amount of time taken for Lancashire County Council to sort the problem out. However, today, the 16th of February 2024, I'm happy to report that Lancashire County Council has now finally managed to sort the flooding out. This has been done by cleaning all the block drains on the aqueduct roundabout using their purpose-built pump truck. As we drive around the large roundabout, we can see the pump truck in use. And as we can see, as we go further around the roundabout, all the drains have been pumped out. And hopefully all the flooding problems that have occurred should have now happily gone away. The question is now, why is it taking 2 months and a YouTube video to prompt them to carry out a simple maintenance task? Thank you for watching.